It's important to make sure that you are rolling over your templates into the new school year. So first, make sure that your drop-down menu here shows the current school year. Go into Manage Templates, and you will see a list of the templates that you have already set up. If you are just rolling over your templates, you'll probably want to keep the same ones there. Most typically, you'll have a probationary teacher, you'll have a tenure teacher goal year, and a tenure teacher at the minimum. You can set up as many as you want. Make sure that you choose whichever template that you want to use for the current year. We will go ahead and edit it. We're now in the 21-22 school year for a tenured teacher. If I wanted to keep my template exactly the same as the way that I had it last year, all I need to do is copy all from another year. This warning comes up in case you have something that you've placed on the 21-22 school year template already. If you haven't done that, go ahead and choose the drop down for last year. So we're going to go with the 2021 school year. I'm going to click Copy All. Again, you'll get another warning just to make sure that that's what you want to do. We'll click Yes. And everything that was in your template for last year will now show up on your 21-22 school year. You can still go through and adjust this if you want to. Perhaps you no longer need a virtual walkthrough. You can go ahead and edit that. We can go ahead and delete it. Or you can go ahead and add parts to your timeline. Just make sure that it's all set up for your new year and you have the year laid out the way that you want it. If you need to go back and take a look at your forms, make sure that you go back into the Manage Forms list and you'll find a video on YouTube for managing your forms as well. You'll need to make sure that you go back to your dashboard and repeat that process for the rest of your templates. So you may want to do a probationary teacher template. Again, edit. We're in the 21-22 school year. Copy all from the year before. We're going to go to the 2021. Copy all. Go through those warnings. And then you can go ahead and edit for the current year for here, or if it worked out great for you last year, go ahead and keep it the same. If you're looking for a little more detailed information on managing those templates or managing forms, go to our YouTube channel at myteachlink.com. Go to playlists. You'll find all the admin tutorials here. We have your dashboard, your forms manager, your template manager, and an introduction. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great year.